As we have seen these past couple weeks, there are a number of different kinds of maps depending on the information you're looking for. Physical maps, however, show us landforms, including in the case of this map, which is specifically on mountain ranges. A mountain range is a series of mountains that spread across an area that are typically in a line and are usually caused by the shifting of Earth's tectonic plates, causing the ground to buckle upward, thereby making mountains. It's also important to know that a mountain can be part of a mountain range, but it isn't always. A group of mountains form a larger mountain system, and sometimes those mountain systems can actually be underwater, like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It stretches more than 10,000 miles from the northern Atlantic Ocean all the way down to Antarctica. Most people think of mountains or mountain ranges as being above sea level. Their peak is measured by how far above sea level it is. For example, the largest mountain range in the world, Mount Everest, is 29,035 feet above sea level. Here are some other interesting information points you might find useful when looking at mountains or mountain ranges while looking at this week's map. There are 5 mountain systems in the world. Ortho America has 3 of the major systems, including the Appalachian Mountains, the Pacific Mountain System, and the Rocky Mountains. The Appalachian Mountains stretch from the Gasp Peninsula in Canada all the way down to Alabama. The Pacific Mountain System stretches along the western coast of North America. It includes the Coastal Range, the Sierra Nevada of California, the Cascade Range of Oregon, and the Alaskan and Aleutian Ranges in Alaska. The Rocky Mountains extend through Mexico, the United States, and Canada. In South America, the Andes Mountains is the longest mountain range system in the world and stretches along the west coast of the continent. The Tatian Mountain System extends across Africa, Europe, and Asia, and includes the Atlas Mountains of Africa, the Alps, the Carpathian Mountains in Europe, and the Caucasus Mountains on the border of Europe and Asia. The Tatian Mountain System also includes the Zagros Mountains, the Pamirs, the Karakoram Range, and the Himalaya in Asia. This week's map only shows a sampling of some of the mountain ranges we see throughout the world, along with its highest peaks for each continent. It's important to know that some of these highest peaks are not necessarily connected to some of the ranges that we just discussed.